No, it's a video me I do, but the door.
Oh, Bucky boy!
My cross is this morning. I lock up myself in my bathroom. I try to come
Releasing dopamine.
Quick introduction. Wagwan peeps, my Psynos here. Me go try prank Psynos. Him didn't want me follow him go shop, but me tell him say me no feel like me want go. So me come back and I decide to do a prank upon him. But me in the bathroom, I go act like me dey on my phone and talk to somebody. I go talk to somebody. Yeah, shh. Me don't know if him a come now, so me I go just get right tonight. And you know what him I go and kick off the door. Him I go and kick off the door for coming here and then go to break the door. So me have to try monitor baby Psynos, guys. So me have to go along on the door really hard. Shit. And the key now lock the door. It now lock the door. Alright guys, so I have to go. I go put it up here so. May I wait for him?
Oh! Why you do it, John Cross?
Learn for the future century. Maybe middle school.
Oh! Bucky boy! Why you do it, John Cross?
Yeah, come in, give Steve this one.
Yo guys, my Anna hurt me. A prank fail. I'm come too quick.
Oh, bomb.
Him come too quick.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Him come too quick.
Bucky boy!
Mommy, I go call this a prank, you know. Fear. Yo, it's strong. It's strong enough. Yo, I'm strong enough.
Tap on one of the games to start playing. Let's play. Select your avatar.
I'm gone.
Pop the black color. Choose the pack of colors. Choose a game to play. Let's play. Select your avatar. On the way, select the category you want to play. Choose the category you want to play.
Kia.
Kia. Killer. Kia. Killer. Killer.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
Oh!
Daddy?
Babe.
Kia.
No, it's a video me I do, but the door.
Oh!
You alright? You sure you're alright?
Why you do that?
Because you make me think I'm dangerous when you start looking down the door.
Why you doing, John Croft?
No! Stop!
Yo, babe, the door open up.
Lorenzo, stop!
Yeah, open the door. You have 10 seconds.
I'm trying, the door's stuck. No, Leah is behind. Stop doing that!
Oh, I'm going a minute.
Lorenzo, the door is stuck.
So why you lock it then?
Jesus Christ, man. Shit, the door is stuck.
Oh!
Yo.
So I have to break down the door then.
No, Lorenzo, don't break it. May I come out?
So what? Yo, you have to do something with this, eh? You have very
Them gal are wicked, them wicked.
I'm coming out, just hold on. And stop making so much noise.
No, nobody can tell me that my train here, for this.
Yo, it's a prank me I do pan here you know, and the door got stuck.
Yes, sir?
It's a prank me I do and the door
That now go happen.
You know say you fastening lock when you open up me door.
Bitch, what?
It's a contract. Guys, I'm soon come. I have to try it open the door. No.
After you come outside, then you give me the key for the next side. And I'm going to go do this for almost when you broke my door. Take the key out.
I did.
Other side.
You did enough prank for me.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
So why would you break the door?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yo, I'm frightened, you know.
Yeah, good.
Brother, don't do them something there again, yeah, man. Me not prank you no more. Guys, this is it.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Guys, I'm sorry, but it feel.
Bruh.
What me actually plan for do, never do, because him come too early. And then me never know what to do, because I try open my door. And this is just a 9-minute video of failure.
Alright, you don't feel it worked.
Me prank my damn self.
No, I'm just it worked.
Me lock up myself in the bathroom.
Well, one since Go and sing 2 songs in there.
Oh! Come round for Kina. Come round for Kina.
Ça son petit caca bouilli là. Fais pas contre qui moun qui pour manger bail. Ça me bail là pas belle non.
Oh! My cross is this morning. I lock up myself in my bathroom. I tried prank learning. You know, that was the reason why I came back, because I acted like I never wanted to come. Me can't bother. Me not prank nobody again. I don't even know. It was a closing at first, and when you come on, cause baby, it never locking up. I made it a wall on the door, and when you lock up meat, it spoil.
What's spoiled?
Me no know.
Is the lip spoiled and you turn the key right?
The key not even did turn. I can't bother. Guys, when I come out, I not film nothing.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
10 minutes of failure.
That's how me and Frankie and Mr. Psynos and got stuck in the bathroom.
Father God.
Baby, you did turn the key.
How?
Yeah, the key did turn. Because I see the tongue right there, so.
But it never turned because I was opening it and closing it back, and when we actually closed it the last time you come through the door there, so.
Yes, sir.
So me have to go sleep in here?
No. Let it go.
Me not touch it. Him lie at him did all on.
No. Because me lick it, I don't know what you do, but she was trying to lock it the first time. The lick
Are you
out.
when you kick it, you jam it.
Bitch, what?
I'm a hand me thump it.
You jam it when you did lick it then.
Are you there hold it? Well, now you know JDF training, don't play with it. Look on the door.
Jesus Christ, the man mash up the door. I can't see it in the dark.
See that? Now I'm put me here.
Jesus
elbow
God.
that is my elbow. Yeah, don't play with me.
Come baby.
Yes.
Me
That's how we mash
feel.
up door. No, I don't feel it work.
Me feel.
You never go for 15 seconds for the door.
I feel, guys. You know what I did? I got doing the prank, drop down in the shower with the whole heap of pill them on the ground. I don't know which pill. I did take some whole heap of pill and just drop down in the shower. Well, I never did I take them, but I never act like I take them. But then I say no, that's too drastic. I'm going to take that serious, or ticklish me or something, or maybe not take it serious. And then I go good laugh. So I act like I'm on the phone with somebody. You know, like me never want to go a shop with him for come talk to somebody. You get me? Alright guys, this is the end of the prank, the failed prank. So I have to go think back harder and come back with something harder, because this never work.
Them nerves dead, boy.
This fail. Anyways, I got ice cream. Alright guys, bye. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. And remember, nothing can stop us, because we gotta work. Whoop!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go stop the bricks later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.